Are you still not making any money through the TikTok creativity program? What are you doing? Don't miss this golden opportunity. Creators are making thousands, if not millions of dollars through TikTok creativity program. The best thing is, the TikTok pays a lot of money to creators than YouTube Shorts. Basically, they pay $1 for every 1,000 views. If you are familiar with my channel, you know that I research new niches and reveal those to you. Then, all the other channels in my niche copy those exact same things and create videos. Yep, that's right. So, if you are watching this video as soon as I uploaded it, you are a lucky person because the niche I'm about to reveal today is not competitive yet, and it has a higher chance of going viral on both TikTok and YouTube. So, if you really want to make some money through TikTok, watch this video till the end and start this niche as soon as you can. This niche is called the movie facts niche. You can apply this same concept not only to movies, but for comics, anime, and TV shows. If you are a fan of these, this niche would be the best option for you. Normally, this niche has a larger audience than any other niche. So, no need to worry about views. You will get tons of views. If we break down this niche, you can do videos related to movie reviews, fan theories, and Easter eggs related to movies, etc. Creating videos for this niche is not that complicated. With the power of some AI tools, we can create videos within several minutes. In the next few minutes, I will show the step-by-step process to make videos for this niche from scratch. So I would say this niche is the best niche to start as soon as possible, before going into a step-by-step tutorial. I have created a new channel that's about new AI tools that can help you to make money. If you are interested in that, the link is in the description. First, let me show you a sample video I created for this niche, and then we can start the process.
It follows the story of a man named Adam Clay. He's a beekeeper who's been living a very quiet life in his rural home in the middle of nowhere. The only friend he has is his neighbor, Miss Parker. She's a sweet, elder woman who also lives a very quiet life. One day after Mrs. Parker sees Adam, she goes back home and opens up her laptop. And that's when she's taken off guard by a notification saying that she's about to lose all of her data.
The first step is to find video ideas and create the script. You can find a suitable article related to each theory or review on Google. Or you can watch a movie and summarize it without any spoilers as a story and tell your viewers about it. For this video, I'm going to do a movie recommendation video. The movie I'm going to select is called The Beekeeper. I recently watched this movie. First, you need to get an idea about the movie synopsis. If you can watch that movie or watch a summary of that movie, it would be good. If not, go to the IMDb website and search for that specific movie, and you will be able to find a summary of the movie's plot on this website. Copy that summary, then go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a video script using this. Ask like this. Create a 1-minute long video script for the following summary. This script should sound like a storytelling. Don't use complex words, keep it simple. And then paste the summary of the plot. ChatGPT will create a video script, but the best way is to create the script by yourself. The next step is to create voiceovers. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this, so you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category, so I will select social media. Let's check this voice.
I'd rather regret the things that I have done than the things that I have not done.
I think we can use this voice, so let's add it to your voice library. Now you can use that voice from here. Then all you need to do is copy the script we generated and create the voiceovers for the whole script. With that, creating the voiceover part is done. The next step is to make suitable images related to the story and animate these images. For that, we are going to use Leonardo AI and Runaway AI. Just follow these steps. First, sign up to your Leonardo AI account. You don't need to buy the subscription for this. They will give 150 free credits every day. That's more than enough of 3 videos. So, let me explain how this works. So all these images are actually AI models. If you look carefully, each one of them has different characteristics. First, you should decide which type of images you are going to use for your videos, then select a suitable AI model based on that. For this video, I would like to use cartoon and art style images. Therefore, this AI model would be good. So, if you look closely, you will be able to see the prompt that they have used to make this specific art. You can get a clear idea about the AI model from it. Then, click Generate using this model. It will bring you to this page. These images are some of the images that I generated previously, just ignore them. You can change the size of the images using these dimensions. These specific numbers represent the number of artworks. So, in this case, I will need only one image for each scenario. Now, all you need to do is explain your image in this prompt. As for the first image, I will explain it like this. A bold man named Adam Clay, realistic with a beekeeper suit. You must generate as many images you can for each scenario. Using just several images will not get your video monetized. So we need at least 15 to 20 images. So, read the script carefully and create all the images like this. This process will take several minutes to complete. The next step is to animate these images using Runaway AI. You can sign up for this for free. It has several features such as image generation, AI voices, and text video options. For the free plan, they will give you free credits which are enough for at least 10 videos. So, just follow these steps. Click on this to start with the image option. It will bring you to this page. Now you upload or drag the image you want to this bar. For this first image, I'm not going to add a lot of movement, so I will just click this Generate button. Within a few seconds, it will convert this image to an animated video. As you can see here, this is actually good. Let's upload the next image. For this image, I will add several movements. For that, click this motion brush button. As you can see here, we have selected this pink color brush. With this brush, we can select specific parts of our video. By using this, we can add different movements to each part in this image. For this image, I will select the background like this. And using these horizontal and vertical bars, we can change the direction of the movement, so I will move it to the right side. Let's see how it will look like. Great. As you can see here, only the background part is moving to the right side. Just like this, you will be able to animate all the images you created. Finally, we need background music. Pixabay.com is one of the best copyright-free music websites. We can download suitable background music from this. Now, we have all the materials to edit this video. I'm going to use CapCut to edit this video. It's a free video editing software. You can download it to your phone or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. Start a new project and select this Modify button from the side menu. You can change the project name and select the correct dimensions, which is 16:9 ratio from here. Okay, now import all the materials we created and downloaded for this video to here. First, drag the voiceovers to the timeline. Place these images on top of it like this, and make sure to edit its size according to the video size. You can add images one after the other like this. If you have more images, it will increase the content quality. After you add all the images, let's add some animations as well. Go to Animations and select this combo. From here, you can add this animation called the pendulum. Add this animation to all the animated images. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions. Then select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Edit these text in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. Make sure that these captions stand out, so I will select this cool font. It's suitable for this niche. You can add any text effects for these captions from here. Now we need to add some sliding animations. Go to Animations and select Captions from the top menu. There are several animations for captions here. I will select this specific animation. This animation is really cool because it shows word by word instead of full sentences. After that, we need to add the background music we downloaded. Add it under the voiceovers and make sure to reduce its volume so that it matches with the voiceover sound. Then you can export the final output. So guys, just like this, you can create videos for this niche. I hope you learned something from this video. I will see you in the next video.